You don't need more motivation. You need alignment, because the reason your mind feels scattered, your discipline feels weak, and your direction feels unclear is not because you're lost. It's because you're disconnected. Be honest. Some days you wake up and your mind is already heavy. Thoughts everywhere, pressure, distraction. You try to focus, but something feels off. And at night, you replay everything. What you didn't do, what you should have done. And slowly, you start feeling distant. Not just from your goals, but from God. But what if the problem is not your effort? What if it's your connection? Because prayer is not just a routine. It's a realignment. A moment where your mind, your thoughts, your emotions come back to truth. Draw near to God, and He will draw near to you. That means you're never actually far. You just haven't turned back. Prayer resets your mind. It slows the noise. It clears the pressure. It reminds you that you're not doing this alone. And when your mind becomes clear, your actions become stronger. Because discipline starts with clarity. So here's what you do. Not something complicated. Not something perfect. Just this. Talk to God twice a day. Before your phone, before the noise, sit for a moment and say, God, guide my mind today. Give me clarity. Give me discipline. Simple, real, focused. And at night, before you sleep, reflect. God, thank you for today. Help me learn. Help me grow. Release the pressure. Let your mind rest. Be still. And know stillness is where clarity lives. And prayer is how you enter it. You don't need to fix everything overnight. You need to reconnect daily. Because when you talk to God consistently, your mind becomes steady, your thoughts become clear, and your discipline becomes natural. You're not struggling because you're weak. You're struggling because you're trying to do life without staying connected to the one who gives you strength. If you're ready, comment and start today. Subscribe to True North Life for more content that builds faith, clarity, and discipline.